Tuesday, so I'm over here doing some work. I put a temporary pole right there to hold things up because I'm replacing these beams. There was like 4 beams right here and I want it to line up properly. So what I'll be using is, I'm just making a beam like that, you know, 2 new 4x4s that'll go right in this corner behind here, and that'll make that a nice turn. So doing that. And then one other thing, I'll take pictures when I get done with that, is when I was cleaning up here the other day, the ice cube maker water thing, I was so careful getting the tile and the floor out. Because see, I gotta make this all the same height. This whole area is gonna be accessible where the refrigerator goes, so this whole platform has to match the kitchen height. So, being so goddamn careful, and I clipped the end of it. This end, and it fell down through that hole into the floor. So anyway, I wasn't about to crawl underneath the frickin' house, and since I had this out, I just opened a hatch. So I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger. So this can always be here in the future, so you know, crawling in through here, because this is where all the water is going into the kitchen, etc. This will be a much better access port if we need it in the future. I had planned on replacing this plastic tube anyway with copper. That's what I did at my house and all the new houses. The plastic is known, we've been very lucky all these years that plastic's been here and it's never broke. I know a lot of people that had flooded houses because their plastic ice maker hose broke. So I use nothing but copper at home. So I got some copper here. I had plenty at home from years. So I have some brand new copper and ends. I'm gonna replace that whole thing and actually extend it here to where the refrigerator's gonna go, rather than coming through the wall from the pantry that I did, must have been 40 years ago. All right, I'm gonna do some work. I'll take another picture once I get this. I want to get this beam replaced and take that one back out maybe today, maybe not today. But I want to get this replaced here and start getting this stuff framed in. All right.